Hey guys, so today we have a fun Easter challenge.
Yes.
We're going to do the Easter basket switch up challenge. We have Peeps toys. We have the wind up toys as well as the squishy toys. And then we have some different Peeps that are flavored that are going to be part of the challenge. Now, thank you so much to Little Kids Inc. for sending us the Peeps toys.
Thank you.
So, are you guys ready to start the challenge? All right, guys, it's round one. Who's going first?
We're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Michael, you decide. Do you want to keep the basket in front of you or do you want to switch?
I'm gonna switch.
My fluffy grass. Look at this dull, dead grass.
All right, let's see what's inside your basket.
Yes, I got. Yes, I wanted
Michael
to.
got blue raspberry Peeps.
I'll make sure you get Lindsay.
Wind up green bunny. Oh, it's so cute.
Does the bunny want to try one of his own? Oh, take one.
You have to eat it whole. That was the deal.
Oh, you are going to eat them whole? Oh.
Michael can. How's it?
She took a bite, not eat the whole thing. Oh, okay.
These aren't actually that bad. They're pretty good.
Yeah, good. So cute.
No. Bad. No more sugar for you tonight. No!
Oh my gosh. So, it is round two. Lindsay, you get to pick now. Do you want to keep the basket in front of you or do you want to switch?
I want to switch.
Okay. Oh, birthday cake Peeps.
Oh.
Oh, we've got the yellow squishy. Oh, how cute.
Oh, God.
Eat your brother.
Smell. Smell vision.
My mission today is to eat everyone whole once at least.
One each. How squishy is the squishy?
No, this is squishy too.
I know. Oh, look at it. It's so cute.
What's wrong, man?
A little sweet, but not bad.
What do you think?
It's okay.
Eh?
Yeah.
Eh. Oh, no.
You know what I'm thinking? I think Peeps were the first squishy, but except they're edible.
Good point.
Technically, they were the first squishy.
I didn't think of that.
Sugar.
Because you squish one, they rise.
That's true.
So, technically, the first squishy was a Peep.
Moving on.
All right, guys, it's round three. It's Michael's turn. Do you want to keep the basket in front of you or do you want to switch?
Keep.
Okay.
Yeah, pancake.
You do realize in 3 rounds in a row you put the yummy thing in that, the edible.
Really?
I think so.
I don't even know.
This woman don't know what she's doing anymore. Oh. It sure smells like Sutton.
Get away from me. Now.
He's so cute.
smells like brown sugar.
Does it?
I'm eating its limbs. Look at all the
She's
sugar.
a human peep.
Look at all the sugar.
Yeah.
Moving on. Yo, man, are you okay?
So what do you think about those?
They're okay.
Good. Round 4, guys. It's Lindsay's turn to go first. Are you keeping the basket in front of you, or do you want to switch?
I want to switch.
Okay.
Your child, take this. They're probably Peeps. Oh, nope.
Hey, she switched it up this time.
Oh, sour watermelon. Uh-oh.
Michael said he was going to eat this one whole.
And Michael got the pink funny squishy.
Now, do you really think we're gonna eat that thing whole?
Okay, this smells
I
like
don't
a
know.
watermelon icy.
It actually does.
Hmm.
Here's the squishy though.
All right, Michael. Oh, it's red.
Is it?
Oh.
Ooh.
Here. Put this in your mouth.
Oh my gosh.
How is it? Is it sour at all? You said I had to eat it whole, but nope. I don't like it. Mother doesn't really care. He's chilling. He's swallowing.
It's gone. Ain't too bad. Expecting a little bit more sourness than that though.
See a little eye right there?
Oh.
She took its eye out? Oh my gosh.
It's like there's a hole where its eye used to be.
No.
It's eye capitation going on there.
Little dead pea.
Will it come up straight like the real Peep will? Probably not.
Oh, look at that. Oh, how
Oh.
cute.
Between the ears? It's better than funny. It's not even funny. It stuck on me.
All right, so I think it's safe to assume you're not really fans of the sour watermelon.
No.
No.
Ain't too bad though. It's like I could eat it.
I wouldn't.
It's time for round 5. Whose
Michael.
turn is it? Michael's?
Me.
All right, are you going to keep the basket in front of you, or do you want to switch?
I'm gonna keep the basket in front of me.
Okay.
Yes, I got it.
I got a cute little pulp.
For some oh wait, I didn't get it. I got it. Where did that come from? And that was
It's
all.
a random cupcake from something.
Oh, then we have these.
Cotton candy Peeps.
That cupcake was not sponsored in this video.
I got this little chumpy thing.
You got the chick. The little chick.
Oh, you got the chump. The chick, chump.
Be quiet now. Friendship. Walk.
Yeah. Army of Peeps, attack that blue Peep.
My
Jump.
peep.
My peeps, my peeps, my
No.
peep. Oh.
So good. Scout loves sugar.
A whole lot of sugar.
I'm not into sugar.
Yeah, right.
Mhm.
What do you think about that one, Liz?
I mean, it was sweet.
She throws the sugar all over the floor.
You're welcome.
Here's my cupcake.
Love you too.
Don't eat that cupcake. It's not real.
I Delicious.
Michael, what do you think of the cotton candy, Peeps?
I think. Not bad. Too sweet.
Too sweet. All right, guys, it's round 6, the final round. So whose turn is it to pick?
Me.
All right, Linz. Do you
Keep.
want to... Okay.
Yeah, boy. I don't know what to expect from this.
Fruit punch flavor.
Wait a minute, is it a different color? Or they're just red?
I think they're just red. I like to poke it. Yeah. All right, Michael. Intense smell.
Oh, she smells good.
Oh yeah, that smells real good.
These might be our favorites
Oh,
or
wait.
our worst.
They're a different color.
What do you think?
What are you scared, man?
Mm-mm.
Eat the whole thing. I ate like tiny little bites. Look. How is it, child?
Kind of flavorless.
Oh. It
Kind of
smells.
flavorless, really?
It smells good, but it doesn't taste great.
Okay.
I don't eat the Peep. Sorry.
So, which of the Peeps was your favorite flavor? Would you
Blue
say?
raspberry.
Blue raspberry. What about you, Linz?
Blue raspberry.
Okay. Guys, how cute are these Peeps toys?
I know they're adorable.
So
All right, give me
cute.
this. Lay
Perfect.
it down.
They are the perfect addition to Easter baskets, right, guys? Oh my gosh, how cute! Oh.
Go for a walk. Hey, your
Racer. Racer's right. Hey, she cheated! He's a pedalist this bike.
Hey! He did it!
Yeah.
How y'all doing?
So you guys like the squishies?
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh. I wish I could just bite your head off.
Oh!
Oh my God.
There's like a dinosaur just like, ah!
Snaps his neck.
I'm so kawaii.
Oh, how cute.
That's what you get for going like, yeah. Ah.
Thank you again to Little Kids Inc. for sending us these awesome Peeps toys.
Thank you.
I'll put the link in the description below for more information on the products.
Until next
Bye,
time, guys. Bye.
Off into the sunset. Well, hey, they fell off.
We got this information!
Here's super drive mode. Goodbye.